This question comes from an absolutely terrified viewer who asks, what if Jupiter crashed into Earth? Well, first of all, good question. Second of all, bad news. Jupiter is big. Really big. It's over 1,300 times the volume of Earth and has more than 300 times our planet's mass. If it somehow decided to come visit, let's just say, we wouldn't be around to send a thank you card. Let's break this catastrophe down step by step. Jupiter doesn't just crash into Earth, it looms. As it drifts toward us, its massive gravity starts messing with our solar system long before impact. First, Earth's orbit goes haywire. Seasons? Gone. Stable climate? Nope. We'd probably get tossed either too close to the sun, hello, instant global oven, or too far away, congratulations, you live on an ice ball now. Oh, and forget about the moon. Jupiter's gravity would either steal it, smash it into us, or yeet it into deep space. Rest in peace. Tides. As Jupiter gets closer, Earth's atmosphere starts behaving like soda in a shaken-up bottle. The pressure and heat would rise dramatically. Winds would reach thousands of miles per hour, strong enough to rip apart cities. Jupiter's magnetic field, which is 20,000 times stronger than Earth's, would also start messing with our own magnetosphere. That means electronics go haywire, the northern lights cover the entire sky, and oh yeah, all your compasses now point at Jupiter instead of north. And then, the moment of truth. Jupiter slams into Earth at dozens of kilometers per second. But here's the kicker, it doesn't actually hit us like a rock. Jupiter is mostly gas, meaning it would engulf Earth before our planet even reaches its core. As Jupiter's crushing atmosphere surrounds us, Earth's surface would instantly heat up to thousands of degrees. Cities? Vaporized. Oceans? Boiled off in seconds. Humans? Yeah, we didn't even make it to this part. If Earth somehow made it deeper, it would plunge into Jupiter's super-hot, super-dense core, where pressures are so extreme that even atoms start behaving weirdly. Not that we'd be around to see it. At this point, Earth is just a glowing smear inside Jupiter. But the chaos doesn't stop there. The impact would send shockwaves through Jupiter's atmosphere, possibly creating new storms even bigger than the Great Red Spot. And if by some miracle, Jupiter was moving fast enough to break apart from the collision, its shattered remains could mess up the entire solar system, altering the orbits of planets or even triggering more collisions. Basically, one planet smashing into another is a bad day for everyone. If Jupiter crashed into Earth, we wouldn't just be dead, we'd be mega super ultra obliterated. But the good news? Jupiter is happily chilling 365 million miles away, and the odds of this ever happening are effectively zero. So, you can sleep easy tonight. That is, unless you're dreaming about what if Saturn crashed into Earth?